Hi, welcome to another Eco Tips edition of ecopenny. This time I'm going to review the Victa line trimmer model 883257, or what we call a whippersnipper in Australia. So this model's really handy. It's portable and battery powered, so you don't have the electric power cord restriction of a pure electric power cord line trimmer, and you don't have all the noise and emissions of an internal combustion engine whippersnipper, which often they're difficult to start, need petrol, and they're noisy and release a lot of fumes to the atmosphere. So these battery powered ones have no emissions, use a bit of electricity to charge, and it's quite portable. This one's only 2.6 kilos, it's actually quite light, easy to handle, nice quality construction. You can adjust the length of it with this control here. You can also adjust the angle, so you can press this foot pedal here and adjust what angle you want. And you can also convert it to an edger to do the garden paths and things. Just press this button here and you can turn it. You can turn the head 90 degrees to do those edges, and it's got that little wheel thing. So it's much easier to do the edges. I found most of them don't have this functionality where you can turn the head 90 degrees. Most of them are just fixed like this. So you've got the advantage, you can do your trimming and also do your lawn edging as well. It's really good. The basic appliance comes with a 5-year warranty, and the battery and charger come with a 3-year warranty, so I think that's pretty fantastic. Cost 219 Australian dollars from my Bunnings store, so I paid for it myself. Battery specs, it's 18 volts, 5.0 amp hours. There is a 2.0 amp hour version, but this one's got a longer battery life per charge. It's got a handy little button here. You can press it and it'll tell you the percentage battery remaining. It's also really handy. The charger and the battery have a USB-A socket, so you can actually use this battery to charge the device. If you're camping or something, you can bring that with you as an extra power source, so that's just a handy additional thing. It's a lithium-ion battery and 90 watt hours, if you need to know that. So there's a USB charging output, 5 volts. Another one there on the charger. So when you have the charger on, it's got the red light there. Slot your battery in. When it's charging, it's flashing. And when it's charged fully, the light will stay on. Uses 1.6mm diameter line, and it's interesting, it's only got the one line coming out. I have tried it, I'll show you in a minute as well. It actually works quite well. My old one had 2, so with just the one it'll be easier to thread a new line in. You can manually advance it by pressing this button here, but if you start and stop it, it should come out a little bit at a time. It's got a little blade here, so you can, when it goes on, it will trim to the right length. And these spools are removable, so you can either replace a spool, or it's better just to put a new line in there. I really like this feature. It's got a spare spool holder here. Probably have to take the battery off to get it out. You've got yourself, this comes with it as well, a spare spool, which you can just keep on there, so if you're on the job and you run out, you can replace that. This handle here, you can loosen it and adjust the angle. I prefer it like that. So I think it's quite nifty, good quality product. I've only just got it, I've only used it once already, and I'm going to use it again in a minute. I'll show you it in action in a minute. So it's got a safety switch. If you just press the trigger, nothing happens. You've got to slide this first, then press the trigger. go to stop. But I actually quite like it. I think it's a good quality product and I thoroughly recommend it. If you notice, I've got my beautiful little sign here made by Hart Art in Lithgow. So it's made out of repurposed wood. So reusing old wood for a new purpose. And it's got my 3 facets of my channel. So I thought it's a really nice addition. So shout out to Hart Art. You can look them up on Facebook. They do quite a few of these. You can either have 1, 2 or 3 or whatever and have your own writing, pictures or whatever. Really good idea, a really good use where you can repurpose old stuff instead of throwing it away and repurpose it. So I hope you enjoyed the review of this line trimmer. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.